Hey guys, today I have another video for you. This time it's a Emerald Pro USA amplifier. Customer complains that it was playing well the day before, and today it's playing very low. The volume is very low. So if you listen, you can see the VU meter is showing you a good strong signal, but if you can hear in the background, you barely can hear the music. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at why is it playing so low. So I've already removed the screws to make this troubleshooting easy. So there we go. So this is what it looks like. So the amplifier, my suspicion is the preamplifier has the issue. Why? Because I'm going to do some troubleshooting to show you that the amplifier is okay. Remember, our videos and this workshop, we use no schematics. Everything is done manually and by experience. So, there we go. So the music is still playing, as you can hear it. You can barely hear anything. Okay, so I'm going to switch the power off and we get right to the troubleshooting. So we have one cable. Let me just disconnect every single from the preamp, because like I said, my suspicion from experience is the preamp board. So this is what I will do. I'm gonna this is not the preamp, this is the board we're gonna take a look at. But before we do that, let us just verify that the amplifier is perfect. So I'm gonna connect the speakers. Good. And we're gonna put some power on. And what I would like to do, I'm gonna just try to bypass this board, okay, this preamplifier. So here is the signal that goes into the preamplifier, and this is the signal that goes out from the preamplifier into the amplifier. So I'm just gonna make a straight connection, so I've used a piece of solder wire to make a little jumper. So from the left channel to the left channel, and then a piece for the grounding. And the grounding. Good. So you jam the wire. We have it. This is the connection. It's a straight connection, and you can hear that the amplifier is sounding more loud the way it should. So we definitely have a problem on this board. So we're going to do some troubleshooting now. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's remove everything. Let's just set this aside and get to this board. Alright. So this is where the signal goes in. This is where the signal comes out. In, out. So we're going to start checking on the input. So we're going to start checking the resistors. Remember, we use no schematics, so we do it the hard way, sometimes the long way. So I'm going to just check these resistors. Here, value is supposed to be 10 kilo ohms. And here I can see one of them is out. So we have this resistor, supposed to be 10 kilo ohms. You've noticed the meter just jumping around. So let's take a closer look. Let's just pull it from the board and check it. So I'm going to just lift it up, take it out and check it. So think this might be the issue here. Good. So let's test it. We're supposed to be having 10 kilo ohms. As you can see, the meter is saying OL. Right? Look at it. Nothing. Means this resistor is open. So I'll go right ahead and replace this one. But I already have another one. Let's check this one. And as you can see, it's 9.86 kilo ohms. Close, acceptable. So we're gonna stick this one in. I must tell you, someone else tried to fix this unit and caused some destruction to the cabinet and the screws and even to the board. But nevertheless, we're going to try. So what I did, I already tested the other components, the other resistors, to make the video as short as possible. I didn't find anything else except for this 10 kilo ohms resistor. So we're gonna just hook the system up back and then we're gonna test it. Okay, so here we go. There we go. We have our input or output cable, our input signal. This is the clock emitter. This is the guitar input. Well, this, and then we're gonna test it. So let's go, plug it in. Speakers. And as you can hear and you can see now, the volume is up. You'll see the meter just in a few. You see the meter is moving. And we got loud volume, perfect. Everything is back to normal. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it if you know it can help anyone. Just share it. Thanks for watching.